Danny Hayasaka with Call One and Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. So today we're going to take a look at the Kodak Access Webcam. Stay tuned. So what is the Kodak Access Webcam? So the Kodak Access Webcam is a Windows Hello compatible webcam. Windows Hello facial recognition is a nice security feature to ensure that your device is only accessible by authorized personnel. JPL manufactures the Kodak Access Webcam. The Kodak logo, trademark, and trade dress are trademarks of Kodak and used under license by JPL Telecom. Kodak Access Webcam is a full HD 1080p 30 frames per second CMOS camera with glass lens. I'm actually using the Kodak Access Webcam right now to record this video, so there you go, you're looking at the video quality. Yes, it's got a built-in privacy shutter so you can close it up or you can open it back up. The Kodak Access Webcam has a built-in omnidirectional microphone with a pickup range of up to 3 meters or 9.8 feet. And I'm actually using the microphone to record the audio for this video. And so let's do a little mic pickup range test. So to my wall back there is close to 10 feet, just a little over 9 feet, so basically the 3 meters. So let's take a look and see. And hopefully if you're using a webcam though, you're not getting up and moving about, but let's take a look. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am. This is roughly 10 feet from the camera. So this is what it would sound like using the Kodak Access Webcam. And I'm going to move over here. And now this is roughly 12 feet from the camera. Again, hopefully if you're using a personal webcam, you're not going 10 feet away or 12 feet away from it. And hopefully you're standing right here or sitting with it fairly close to you. What type of USB connection does it have? I'm happy to announce that the Kodak Access Webcam includes both USB 2.0 Type A and Type C connectivity right in the cable, so that's always fantastic when manufacturers include both USB A and USB C connectivity options on these devices. Does it require additional software or downloads? The Kodak Access Webcam is truly plug and play. No software or downloads are needed. Plug it in and start working immediately with the popular video conferencing platforms including Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, Cisco WebEx, and more. The Kodak Access Webcam comes in at an MSRP or SSP, they call it, I don't know what that stands for, but $134.95. It includes a 3-year warranty, which consists of a 2-year standard no quibble repair or replacement warranty, plus a 3rd year cover on all non-moving parts. So it includes an in-use LED indicator. It's red when not in use, blue when the camera is being used, and green when the camera and the microphone are being used. So that's kind of a neat feature. So like right now, it's green to let me know that not only am I using the camera, but I'm using the built-in microphone as well. And it also includes low light correction that we're gonna test next. But let me try this 90-degree thing. So I can take this guy and actually flip it all the way down. And so you can see my keyboard and my glasses here, and I got these little dongle things here. And then I can flip it back up. Oh, let me adjust it there. All right, and again, it's got that 360 degree, and we do get asked for that because some people sometimes have folks on either end of maybe their desk. Let's say an attorney, I'm sitting here and somebody wants to sit on the other side. You can take that camera, rotate it around to show them. But anyway, let's test this camera in low light environments as well as bright backlight environments. Stay tuned. All right, so now what we're gonna do is a low light test. And so I'm gonna turn off the lights. I have that camera there showing my desktop to show you like what's on. I'm gonna turn this guy off over here, and I'm just gonna start turning off the lights. Now we have the glow of my monitor. Of course, my monitor is also fairly large, but this is what it would look like if we turn off all the lights in this room, and it's really dark in this room right now. And so this is what it would look like if you were using the Kodak Access Webcam in a low light environment. Okay, so now I'm sitting out here in my dining room. I have the Kodak Access webcam connected directly to my laptop, and I have that other camera over there filming so that you can see I'm about to open up this these blinds back here so you can introduce backlight or bright backlight. So stay tuned. All right, so this is what it would look like if you're using the Kodak Access Webcam and you had extremely bright backlight going on. And you can see I have these massive windows. I don't know if what happens if I get in close. You can see it tries to adjust. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this webcam, and I'm still using the microphone from this webcam to record the audio. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up my laptop and I'm going to walk throughout my house back into my office so that you can see what happens with various light conditions. So let's go, because that's what you would do in a normal environment. For first, let me turn off this camera here. All right, so now I'm walking around my house, and so the lighting's going to change. And so this is what it would look like if you're using the Kodak Access Webcam and various lighting. And it's coming from different sources. I got it from coming in from outside. Back there, you see you got those lights. Yeah, it's Christmas time, so we got our tree up. And so now I'm in this dark hallway. So now I'm in a dark hallway, right? And so now I'm going to go into my office. And so this is where I was before. And whoo! And I'm going to set this down, actually right on my desk here. All right, so there you go. There's a quick video of the Kodak Access Webcam. We answered some questions in reference to this camera, as well as did some demonstrations with the microphone, as well as the video performance in low light environments, as well as bright backlight environments, as well as all throughout my house, so that you can see the various changes that occurred while using this webcam, regardless of the light environment. But let us know in the comments below what you think about this webcam. Is your organization using Windows Hello? Is that important? Because it's really difficult to find webcams these days that support Windows Hello facial recognition. This happens to be one of them. But if you have any questions about this at all our contact information is going to be in the description box below. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.